I replaced a big part of my workflow with a team of AI employees inside of GoHighLevel. And the crazy part is, I'm the one managing all of them. Let me show you exactly how this works. What I'm going to be showing you is a couple different things, very, very simply. The first thing we're going to be doing is obviously going over Ask AI. But here's the trick with these AI employees, and we're going to go really deep into this. But you want to have multiple things working at once to get more done. So while we're working in here, we're going to come down to said vibe coder and also start vibe coding at the same time. We're going to literally be doing both. That's how we're going to go through it. So what I'm going to do very simply, and we're going to do a lot of different use cases, but I'm going to show you like the bare essentials of building out an e-commerce store very quickly using these two to build products, store, and everything. And we're just going to breeze through this really quickly, and I'm going to show you exactly how. So first things first, to build an e-commerce store, say we want to build out the entire e-commerce store, we're going to make it very user-friendly today. Guys, this right here is what we're going to be clicking. Agent Studio. Boom. This is the vibe coder, okay? So the first thing we're going to be doing while we're building, say, an e-commerce store, so we're going to do two at once. Okay, so first thing we're going to say is, I want an e-commerce store for shoes. The brand is called Declan's Shoes, and they're sneakers. Okay. For Declan sneakers, the colors are white, blue, and gold. And we have 7 different kinds of sneakers. The number to contact the website is 56, and the email, I'm not even spelling this right, but it's still going to get it. And the email is declanshoewizard@gmail.com. So we're going to do that for now. We're going to click enter. So what's going to happen is this is going to start building out my website. Now, here is the key, okay? While this is building it, okay, we are then going to go over here and we're going to start building products out. Okay. Does that make sense, chat? Because back in the day, what you would have to do is you would have to build products, build e-commerce, do all this stuff manually. We can literally have AI do this while we go watch a movie. Like, I'm not even kidding you. This is how powerful this stuff is. Obviously, we wouldn't have enough time to watch a movie. We're going to go ham. You'll see in a sec. I'm making sure we got all this dialed because there's all different things we can do here. I'm essentially going to show you how to have multiple guys working at once, and then we keep going through stuff. You'll see. Then from there, we can basically go out and crush. And guys, really big pro tip. You could straight up, if you're starting to gain clients, if you don't want to do the fulfillment, you can straight up teach your mother, sister, brother, wife, husband, uncle, whoever to literally go in and just learn AI and be like the all-in-one employee. Okay, guys, it just built out my website already. I'm just going to show this real quick. It built me this website that fast. 7 different shoes that I asked for. And literally, like, this is insane. This is absolutely insane. But here's the thing, and we can kind of do this different ways. We could go in and we could use this stuff and continue to vibe code here. But what you could also do is you could come and ask AI and add products and other things in here through the CRM side of things, because this is only part of it. This is where we get into all kinds of other stuff. Because if we come over here and we come to stuff like this, which is Ask AI, which is a little different, this is how we can do stuff in the CRM. Okay. So the vibe coder and the Ask AI in the future, I feel like are all going to be the same thing. For now, they're not, but this is super, super important that you understand this. Learning these things now is going to give you a very unfair advantage over everyone else because everyone is getting super, super, super overwhelmed. So it created, if we go back here, it created the products on this front end. Now, we could copy and paste all of these, add them to Ask AI to have it do it, but we'll just start with a rough draft. We'll say, I need 7 shoes built as products, each with different price points and images. So I'm just going to copy this real quick because I want to show you something. If we go down to payments, guys, there's no products. There's no products here. Nothing. Okay. You don't see any products. I'm going to come back to Ask AI because it's going to build products for us. While this is loading, okay, I'm going to go into another tab and show you guys how to enable everything. Check this out. We're going to come all the way down to settings. Guys, remember this. We're going to come all the way down to labs. This is where you're going to enable all of the features you want. Ask AI is right here, or Ask AI Studio. You're going to toggle that on. Ask AI, you're going to toggle that on. Chat, does that make sense for the people that don't understand how to do this? High level is a no-brainer. I'm telling you guys right now, like every other tool out there is not an all-in-one. People do not understand this. In the dawn of AI and how it takes over, it is only going to get worse as far as all-in-one stuff. Everyone else is use this, then I use this, and then I use this, and it's cool, but but it also will break when high volume comes. High level can handle the high volume. Very important. So let's go back and see if it built our shoes. Okay, it's building our shoes right now. I'm going to come in here and say, okay, add a bio about me and add a AI generated image of me and write a bio of how I love shoes and GHL. Okay, I'm just spamming, but the idea is we're just going to throw this in here. We're going to let this work as an AI employee while we come over, we let this thing build out, which is on its last image generation. That's the whole idea. This works over here. Okay, it's working. Then this one is working. That's the whole idea with working through AI employees. Now, and you can come into the almighty AI agents tab, which is, by the way, the most valuable, and you can start tinkering with these. And this is where stuff gets really crazy, really, really fast. Okay, built this. So this is what it did. It updated the bio, but like this is pretty cool. It says, Declan shoes, we believe sneakers more fun than a statement. Oh, actually, no, it's what? I'm a woman. Wait, this is possessed. You guys see this? Okay. It says, my journey started with a simple obsession by the Declan shoes symbol. I could have sworn Declan was a guy's name last time I checked. That aside, you see what it just did though? It created that so quickly. And that's where we want to get with all this is utilizing and making AI do the heavy lifting. Because I want to come back here and show you guys this. There's something really cool I'm going to show you because this is going to be the third part I'm about to show you. All right, guys, check this out. We're going to show you the voice orb. Jarvis came to life. The voice orb talks to you and can build an agent for you. Watch this.
Hey there. Welcome to Cedar and Wren Pet Grooming. I'm your AI assistant. I can book appointments, answer questions, and take down details. What would you like to try?
What's your name?
You can just call me the Cedar and Wren receptionist. I don't have a personal name, but I'm here to help however you need.
Perfect. Okay. I'll just call you receptionist. So I'm going to ask you a couple questions and have you build out an AI agent and demo yourself so everyone can see just how powerful you are.
Sounds good. Ask away. I'm ready whenever you are.
Okay. First things first. What do you do? Are you an AI voice agent?
Exactly. I'm an AI voice agent for Cedar and Wren Pet Grooming. I can handle calls just like a real receptionist, booking appointments, answering questions, taking down details, and making things easy for customers.
Can we do a little like role play back and forth to like demo your capabilities?
Absolutely, let's do it. Just start as if you're a customer calling in, and I'll handle it like a real receptionist. Ready when you are.
Hello, I'm trying to get my dog petted.
Hi there, we'd love to help with that. Are you looking to book a grooming appointment for your dog, or did you have something else in mind?
Yes, that would be awesome.
Great. What day works best for you? I've got openings this week at 10 a.m., 2 p.m., and 4:30 p.m.
10 a.m. would be absolutely peachy.
Perfect. I'll put you down for 10 a.m. And just to confirm, is that for tomorrow, Tuesday, April 14th?
Yes, correct.
All right, you're all set for 10 a.m. tomorrow. Can I get your name for the booking?
Yes, it'll be Declan the Wizard.
Got it. Declan the Wizard. And what's the best email for your confirmation?
It'll be Declan O'Reilly is better than Dom Baptist at GoHighLevel/GHL.com.
All right, just to make sure I've got that right. Your email is DDECLAN_REILLY is better than DOMBAPTIST at GoHighLevel/GHL.com. Is that correct?
100%.
Awesome. You're all set for 10 a.m. tomorrow, Tuesday, April 14th. I just sent you a confirmation. Quick thing, everything I just did, the booking, your details, that confirmation, all automatic. No human involved. Pretty wild, right?
That was super wild. So no human was needed for this?
Exactly. It's all handled by me, start to finish. I can even call your customers for follow-ups, reminders, or check-ins, and you can put me right on your website. Want me to set up your own agent right now? It'll just take a minute.
I'm going to have you set yourself up in 1 second, but I have one more question for you.
Sure thing. What's your question?
The question is this: can you help a local business make more money by answering the phone in after hours, weekends, holidays, or anytime?
Absolutely. That's one of the biggest benefits. I can answer calls anytime, even after hours, weekends, or holidays, so you never miss a customer. That means more bookings, happier clients, and more revenue for your business.
That is absolutely insane. Okay, last thing is actually no last thing. Let's build yourself. What do you need me to tell you to do for you to build yourself?
Great. I'll set up your agent with the basics. It'll collect caller name, email, and address on every call. Should callers be able to ask to speak with a real person, like a human handoff?
No, we don't need that.
Setting that up for you right now? Done. Your agent is ready to go. You'll find it on your Voice AI agent listing after this call. Just so you know, this is a starting point. You can go into the agent details and tweak everything: the personality, the responses, the actions, all of it. There's a ton more you can configure. Things like knowledge bases, workflows, custom integrations, voice selection, and advanced routing. It's all in the agent details.
That's amazing. Thank you so much, AI Orb. Okay, guys, let's see. Let's see if it did it. Look at that. It created an AI agent for me. Now, it's probably not the best AI agent, but the fact is it still created an AI agent with the name of the sub account. Damn. General actions, collect email, collect. That's actually not bad. Obviously, it doesn't have that, but it's not bad. I mean, it obviously needs to be tweaked, but it created it. Let's see what it did for settings. Actually, wow. Okay, so it actually already put in settings. These are not preordained. That's actually pretty powerful. It created the AI agent. I just said create yourself, and it created itself. Isn't that insane? This means at the end of the day, just like I have been saying for the last like gazillion years, the most important part of this entire process down to building relationships and selling this. I've been saying this for a long time. Who here has heard me say that? Like everybody. If we delete and we have no agents in said sub account, the orb returns and we can go back with the orb. The orb for now is only English. But guys, for some reason, a lot of people don't know this, but you can change the language to literally anything. If you come right in here, language, you can put it in anything, pretty much. Yo, you can have multilingual agents. I didn't actually know that. Let's actually run that real quick. That is really cool. Let's see if it can go for multiple languages. Let's see what happens. This is actually really big because I'm going to tell you guys right now, there's a lot of people that, no joke, serve both English and Spanish people. I know that happens all the time. I don't think a German and a French person, you're going to have that, but I know for a fact there's a lot of businesses where they get Spanish people and English speaking. Let's try this out.
Hello, you've reached Cedar and Wren Pet Grooming. How can I help you today?
Hola.
Hola, ¿en qué puedo ayudarte hoy?
Bonjour.
Bonjour. Comment puis-je vous aider aujourd'hui?
Konnichiwa.
Namaste. कृपया स्पष्ट कर
Did you guys see that? That was low-key insane, the fact that I can speak so many languages. No, but did you guys see that? That was the accents. Listen, all right? I'm not multilingual. But I'm going to be honest, guys. I didn't know that was a feature. I just want to let you know, I just figured this out. I got to change a lot of my agents right now because that is very, very big. Because that, like, I cannot tell you how many Spanish-speaking people and English people go to the same places. That's a huge, because we all know, one, we can change the language, but to have two of them speaking the same thing is insane. That's really cool. That's really, really cool. And that's really powerful too. Unlike all these other guys online that are just going through and being like, oh, look at this N8N, blah, 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 blah. Like businesses, this will directly make businesses money if you do this properly. Like it's not complicated. This will directly make businesses money. Very simply. Like absolutely insane. Chris, should we just put all voice agents to multi-language? Honestly, that's a goated question. I really like that question. I think maybe. I mean, I really do. That's a really, really, really solid thing right there. It's kind of changed the way I'm looking at this. But let's go back while this is loading. We totally like went over to the other AI employee, but we're still keeping this in the background. This created all of our products. So now all we got to click is create all 7 products. And it's going to go through now and start creating these products, put prices, and basically induct them into said CRM. That is how powerful this is. Okay, while that's loading, we're going to go back to the e-coms. But anyways, like look how cool this is. And we can keep editing. These AI employees will work. So while doing a little work right here, we can come over making this one do work. So now I'm going to say, make this entire website into Japanese. So guys, real quick, super important while I'm going over this because there's so much here. Each tab can have a different AI doing a different thing. You can have this AI building that. You can have this AI building this other thing. It gives you full range to build a ton of different stuff. Do you see how powerful that is? It can literally understand your mistakes. Like, a lot of people keep saying AI is not that good and it's never going to be like a human, but it low-key is really good because it knows more than most people. Most humans are like, what are you talking about? First things first, it says all the products are created. We're going to go to payments. We're going to go into products, and boom, look at that. It busted out the actual products. Now, we don't need to use these because the other one had some built and they're going to keep getting merged into one. But all I did was tell it what to do. I want to let you guys know, to create one of these products, you have to click this. You have to put in the name. You then have to write out description. You then have to pick any of these other settings. You have to put in image. You have to configure price. You have to do all this stuff to get one. This thing busted them out without me doing anything. For those of you who have built products inside of High Level, you understand exactly what I'm saying. This just saved me 15 minutes, maybe 20. Like, that is a huge ROI. Huge. Like, my goodness. But let's go back to what? Now it changed. But look at this. So these, I guess, but actually that's kind of how it is normally. But you see how this changed the entire thing into Japanese? I want to let you guys know this was very difficult to do before AI. A lot of people like literally had no clue how to do it. Like, I know because back in the day, I worked with companies that had these special tools to do language translations on websites for people. It was hard as hell to do. I'm not joking you. Like, it actually was way harder than you think. Even the way WordPress does, it's kind of ugly, not properly translated. Like this is good. Now that we understand this, what is the next step? Now that we know how to run AI employees, what is the next step do you think it is in this process? And that's start reaching out to local businesses. It's always going to be the thing that is most important because this is only going to get better. This is only going to get way better. It's going to get to the point where it's building stuff left and right, but still people will be afraid of AI. Business owners won't adopt it. Right now, very few businesses are actually adopting AI, believe it or not. And it's not because it doesn't work, because I know a bunch of businesses that have it right now that are way ahead of everyone else. It's that no one knows where to look because everyone and their mom is talking about it, but no one's showing it. So that's why doing stuff like using my self-selling demos, those are key. You want to use self-selling demos and all this stuff because here's the concept. And this is what I want to show you by running AI employees in High Level, because this is where this gets so important, is that when you're doing something like this, for example, okay, there comes a point where your whole operations is taken care of. Once you understand the operations side, the only thing you need to dial in then is the relationship side. Because at this point, you can give your clients whatever you want. It's that simple. Does this make sense, guys? I could literally talk all day about this one thing. If you're enjoying this video and you want to learn more about AI employees, but more importantly, how to sell AI employees, I have a free community right down below that you get access to when you sign up with my exclusive 30-day free trial. And let me tell you, all the stuff I'm about to show you is free when you use HighLevel under me. Check this out. So I'm talking about an entire community full of winners. We can ask questions and stay active. I'm talking about every one of my training modules, snapshots, pre-built out AI systems, sales scripts, AI prompts, everything you could possibly need all in one. And then most importantly, 7 live coaching calls you get to attend every single week to get all of your hand-holding, account setup, and all of the things you need. As you see, free calls with me, calls with Coach John, how to get clients, help with sales, okay, how to get clients advanced with Jordan, okay, learning Go High Level with John Dimitri, okay, we got freaking help with Go High Level with Anna, and setting up Go High Level systems with Cedric. And these calls are so powerful because these are real agency owners that are selling High Level and mastering it, and they're gonna help you and give you the hand-holding, and guess what? It's free. All of this is free right down below. We also have tons of other AI employees, because we know this video is about AI employees, down below in here in these snapshots. I mean, no one gives away the amount of freebies we give away. You can also message me anytime you want up in the right-hand corner. And I want to give you the hand-holding you deserve, because really, that's what we're here for. So again, if this interests you, go down below, click the 30-day free trial, and get signed up. Or upgrade under my link in case you get an upgrade account to get into. You'll get access also. Or sign up with my other link that's right down below if you already have fully upgraded and have High Level. So thank you for watching, guys, and make sure if you're interested, you go down below and you click that link. Back to the video. But it's once you have the tools and once you understand them, you need to start getting these in business owners' hands, because you can upsell every single client you have infinite times because there's infinite AI. And I'm telling you right now, a big thing, and I'm just going to quickly show you this, is going through, okay, and building people's websites better and then giving them back to them. We can use these AI employees to work for us. So we're going to quickly come in here. All right. Escaping in. We're going to do this. Hey, you guys see my screen? By the way, this is for educational purposes only. I am not trying to pick on any of these businesses. This is strictly for education. This is something we can do very simply. So first off, everyone that says closed, that is an easy AI voice agent lead, by the way. Like, boom, right there. Like, oh my gosh, like easily now. But that is like, there's money, a lot of money right here. But this is what we can do. We can come in here, and guys, there's so many people with terrible websites. I mean, let's see someone with less reviews. These guys actually, okay, they actually have a nice website. We can copy the URL. Again, this is for educational purposes. But the idea is this. We would say, please take this website and its content, but make it much better and give it a facelift. And then we click enter. And we essentially, I mean, we obviously want to put more in the prompt. I'm just doing this for the sake of the video, but oh wait, I didn't show you guys. We put it in here. I put it in Ask or Vibe Coder. I plugged this in. Please take this website and content and put it much better, blah, blah, blah. And the whole goal is we're going to take their existing website, but make it better. And this is the trick. Back to them, and we can give it to them for free with free hosting, free security, and a free CRM. No one else is offering this. Here's the trick though. Then can upsell them on AI agents, okay? And so many other things inside of High Level. The cool thing about High Level is, and this is really, really advanced stuff I'm about to show you, but essentially, and Alex Ramosi talks about this a lot, but really powerful companies just have better free shit than you and more of it. If you can offer a bunch of really awesome things for free or really good bonuses, but you also have a ton of power on the back end, because there's infinite things you can do. Reputation management, AI agents, social media, automation, like there's so many things you can do. You essentially can go in, give them a new website for free, bring all this value, build reciprocity, and then sell them on everything under the sun. And this is something that I like to tell you guys and make clear, is that oftentimes you don't need to have multiple clients. You can just sell the ones you have again and again and again. Now, obviously you want multiple clients, but you absolutely could have one client. Just say it's these guys. Again, educational purposes, I'm not picking on them. You could take these guys and then just upsell them again and again and raise their prices if you do a good job. Again, this is dependent on you doing a good job, but like, do you guys see where I'm going with this? Like, try to continue to remind you guys of this, but like, this is where the value's at, because it's a much simpler sell, but you're also actually helping the businesses. You can host it for free on High Level. You have sub accounts on High Level. You can leverage High Level's amazing plans. That's the whole trick, is that it looks like you're doing a lot of work, but you're not. And if you guys want to get really sneaky with it, you can essentially come in once you've set up these AI employees for a business, okay? Or not even that, just the CRM. And then what you can do is, while you're adding these AI employees, you can add it in the background. Like, you could start doing stuff with reputation management. You could start doing stuff with automations. You can just do this stuff. You don't need permission to help people. Now, if you are going to risk something where it's going to damage them, then by all means, don't do that. But you can absolutely do stuff for free to help them out. And then if it's working, you can turn it off. And then they'll be like, that was amazing. I want more of that. Like, there's so many things you can do. Like, it like messes with my brain. Oh, wow. The website's built. This, like, holy poo-poo. Do you guys see what this just in like 3 minutes actually was less? Look, this, which, no offense, is ass. I mean, look at this thing. I don't even want to say anything about it. It's not the best. These guys are probably great people, by the way. They probably do a great job at lawns, but look at this. Very, very mid. This could be zero work for you, leveraging an AI employee, but it's infinite value for them. Like, man, I wish I had this so bad when I first got started out. I would be selling everyone and their mother. When I was doing this, I had to build websites on WordPress. It was way harder. It literally is a huge jump, but it's a jump in minutes. Like, this website would be so hard to build by scratch. Like, so hard to build. Like, I mean, it's got zoom effects, hover effects. It looks good. Like, it's just like, dude, is going on? I mean, like, guys, you can be a complete idiot and make money now. Like, it's mind-blowing. And the crazy part is people still won't do it. They still won't do it. 5 free websites, and then you're getting MMR. That's what matters. The recurring is what's going to make you a lot more money, because if you stack what's called a continuity offer and it rolls over every single month, you basically, unless you're losing everyone and you just maintain a couple people, you grow exponentially. It is like the hack of all hacks. And here's the thing, which is crazy, is soon enough, the way this entire process is going to work, I'm going to come right out here real quick, is that when you vibe code or you do Ask AI, it's going to be like one central agent. That's what they're going towards. And if we come into the AI agents, you're looking for AI employees, Agent Studio has part of this. They're going to build out essentially conversation agents, which are going to be one agent that can do talk, text, and that's going to be basically what's called an AI front desk. And then you're going to have what's called an AI operations manager, which is going to be Ask AI, AI Studio, and they're kind of going to be two different things. They could put them all in one, but that's like having a human do all of the tasks at once. It'll be better for the power and training to have two. So that's where I see this going, having these all-in-one bots. And the cool part is high levels are going to make it really easy to add your existing all into one. So like that's the beauty of this entire thing right now. And you're going to want to, in the very near future, plug all of this stuff in that you have existing into one, and then you'll be golden. So important. Use the AI agents. Real quick, we're going to go into that in a sec. Guys, we got some more stuff to show. It's going to be sick. So this is what's so funny, and this is what's crazy. All the people with agencies right now are making more money than they've ever made. It's super weird the way I'm saying this. Everyone's like, oh, AI is taking over everyone's businesses. It's taking over all the idiots that are not adapting. The people that are adapting, I know this because I speak from experience and I know a bunch of other people. It is like literally you're getting on like steroids. You're on like superpowers. And the thing is for some reason, people still don't adopt. Like now is the best time to be an agency owner or anyone using high level. It's insanity. And it's going to be like that for a while. Because again, these people don't know how to implement stuff. There's barriers to entry. People are confused. People are scared. The news is scaring people. People don't know what to do. That's where you guys come in the community. And that's where you guys stay locked in and go for it. And you'll still sell people. Actually, you'll sell more people. This is just what I'm seeing. It's crazy. Because I'll see these videos on YouTube where someone's like, AI automation agencies are dead, or AI or marketing agencies are dead. And all my friends that have marketing agencies are making more money than they've ever made. They're having to turn down clients. It's literally opened up a new wave. It's just people will always fearmonger and people get scared really easily. There's a lot of people out here that they get spooked too quickly. But let me show you another thing that this AI bot can do. So this is what we're going to do. I'm going to quickly show you, and we're going to tweak with other stuff, but I want to show you where vibe coding gets really powerful. So let me quickly break this down. Right now, there's a lot of idiots online on YouTube that are going, you vibe code your new app, do this, do that. Honestly, if you guys know anything about app creation, you can vibe code something and people are trying to sell big apps. What will happen is you'll build it and you'll run a lot of people through and it will break. I suggest you use apps as basically add-ons to what a business already has. This is where vibe coding becomes sick because you can make money off of it. The vast majority of vibe coders are literally just hobbyists. They don't actually make money. I'm sorry. Trust me, I make a lot of money. I know how this works. Like, I know who makes money in this game. It's the people that sell to local businesses. But I'm seeing a big opportunity right now with vibe coding add-ons. And this is the whole gist, is these AI employees can literally become like little agents that go out and do stuff for you. So what we're going to do is we're going to build an add-on. Let me share my screen real quick. I'm going to show you. This is going to blow you guys away. Look at this. Okay. We got a lot of different stuff we can add. We got pricing quote calculator, ROI savings calculator, time estimator tool. I need niches. These AI employees are insane. Are we watching what I'm doing right here? This is how you vibe code like an absolute G. So I'm going to say, okay, give me a prompt for number 4. You don't even have to specify. You just say number 4. You can be lazy. And I want it so I can copy and paste for my vibe coder. So the whole idea is we're going to take ChatGPT and have it basically help us get a good, solid prompt so we can then vibe code our way to victory. That's the whole goal with this. So let's see what it gave us. So we're going to copy this back to our vibe coder or our AI employee on GoHighLevel. And we're going to paste this and we're going to click enter. I want to give you a quick thing about AI. So especially when you're building prompts, especially when you're doing anything with AI, it's all about context. And I know some of you guys get this, but you don't practice it. AI is really good with a lot of context. If you just go really simple, and obviously I kind of was simple on this, but it's for demonstration. Whenever you're using AI, whether it be with AI employees inside of GoHighLevel, prompting, you name it, you want to give it a lot of context. This is how it works much better. You want to let it exactly what you want. You want to teach it exactly how you do stuff. Because I'm going to give you guys a really interesting example that I've been seeing. I've been doing some stuff with AI agents, okay? And this is really funny. I've had local businesses be like, why didn't it answer this one call right? Because it may have had like a mess up while I was training it. And all I say to them is like, when you hired your employee who answered the phones, did you think they would be perfect day one? Like, no, that's not the way this works. It's like a human. It learns. Now it learns faster than a human, but the whole concept is AI, okay, still has to be trained. So the reason I'm just giving you a little quick tidbit on this is I see a lot of people getting sloppy with this. And believe it or not, there's a lot of people online right now that are offering all these services, but it's shit. So it's going to be who has the best AI agents wins, which you guys are in my group. It's definitely going to be you guys. Oh, look at this. Do you guys see this? Look at this. This is insane. We just vibe coded this calculator. Look at this. We vibe coded GoHighLevel an entire personal injury calculator. This is the future. If you are not using AI, you are going to get absolutely cooked. Beautiful. Is this not insane? Look at this. Look at this. All right, let's try it out. Let's do estimated medical bills. All right, let's do 70,000. Estimated lost wages. Let's do 15,000. Not that much. Pain and suffering level. Dude, we're dying. Injury suffering. Permanent. Your fault percentage. I don't know what a lot of this means. 40%. Accident state. We're going to do New York. Continue to next step. Dude, it's a two-step calculator. Are you guys seeing this? It's 2 steps. All right, so we're going to do Declan the wizard at gmail.com. This is insane. It's so good. Like, I barely, well, actually, we did give it ChatGPT on its prompt, but like, my mental bandwidth is fresh. I did not have to sit here and like think about this and go hard. Like, I literally just clicked buttons on a computer and built this. So the reason I'm showing you this, and this is the whole point of this live with these AI employees, is you want to think of different ways where you can plug things like this into a lawyer's website, plumber's website, or whatever you're building, and provide the most value. Because as AI gets better, it's going to be who provides the most value. Just selling a basic website with hosting isn't going to cut it anymore. It's going to have to be like the legit value providers. It's be those who can actually build the most value, those who can give AI agents, those who can help with X, Y, and Z. It's going to be those people that win. Calling it right now. It will be those people who do all of this. So as you saw, I mean, this is pretty damn good. And then you can get a free consultation and go through with all of that. Like, this is pretty solid. After vibe coding, how we put this in the site, you would publish. So you click this button up here, you click publish, or you add a custom domain. I don't have a domain on this sub account, but you would plug in a domain, click publish, and then you're good to go. They're adding features where you'll be able to just click it into everything. What you really want, if you want to absolutely print with this, and this is really great, is you want to offer the AI agents. The AI agents on HighLevel are literally the best of the best. Like, bar none, they are the best. And that's what we went over the orb earlier. That's what you guys want to sell. All right. You guys want to see how to change, like, an AI voice agent or an AI chatbot? Which one? Change niche of voice agent. Okay, I'll do it real quick. All the prompts I'm going to show you are going to be in said thing. Okay. What we're going to be doing now, and this is another part of having AI employees inside of GoHighLevel. And this part is how to take them and how to build more of them like this. Unlike AI just building it, if you've already built one that's really good, it's actually easier just to quickly duplicate it and change it. So this is exactly what we're going to do. We're going to go through and we're going to take one of these bots that we like. We're going to duplicate and recreate really quickly. We're doing Rebecca. All right, so we come in here. This is all we're going to do. So we're going to click into Rebecca and we're going to look. Rebecca is Evercrest Realty. That's what she is. If we click this, it's Realty.
Hello, you've reached Evercrest Realty. This is Rebecca. How can I help you today?
Hey, Rebecca, how you doing? Are you a realty agent?
Hi there. I'm doing great. Thanks for asking. How about you? I'm not a real estate agent myself, but I'm your friendly assistant here.
Okay, yeah, that's actually good that she said that. Okay, but the idea is this is strictly for real estate. And if you look up here, it's got all the settings fine-tuned just the way we like it. So all we have to do is come right into Rebecca. We come in here, we click duplicate, and now we go to town. Agent name and business name. Bella's Dry Cleaner. Boom, we're going to do Bella's. Chat, just watch very closely. Come in here. We leave this the same, we list the same. We don't touch these because they're already copied and pasted. It's right here. We can change the voice, but we're not going to. And then all we're going to do, we're going to paste right here, and we're going to paste right in here, Bella. Then we're going to click next. This is where we need to create a new knowledge base very quickly. So we're going to click create new. We're coming to my knowledge base prompt, which if you're part of the community, you get all these for free. I actually think I give these for free on my YouTube channel too. We took this prompt right here. Sorry, I forgot to share my screen. We copied and pasted it into ChatGPT. And now all we have to do is we have to put in the details. So it was niche. So we come in here, we put dry cleaner. Bella's cleaning locations. We're just going to do Vegas, service area, reader, Vegas. All you do is type in info. I mean, anyone can do this. It doesn't get any easier in this business hours. Mon to Fry, 7 to 9. Contact information, we're just going to do contact information. Let's do main services. We're going to do dry cleaning. So you just fill that out very simply. Then all we're going to do is we're going to let this basically go through and start printing out for us. Now, our whole goal is to quickly build a knowledge base so we can train it, has a brain, and then put in the prompt, and then we're done. Just watch this. We're going to come right back to this right here. We're going to come and we're going to start copying this. Look how thorough this is. It's just so thorough. That's what I love about this. It's doing so much more. Boom. Copy. Take this. We copy it. Come right into our knowledge base, which we have pulled up. We create knowledge base. We put in name. We're going to do Bella's knowledge base. And we'll just do Bella's knowledge base. We're going to add. And again, guys, you can slow the video down. I'm going fast, but we just paste right in here. Bella's knowledge base. Okay, save. So while this is saving, we're going to come here and we're going to refresh this page. And we just have to wait for the knowledge base to load. Boom. It's been created. It's right there. No worry though, because we're still going to breeze through. Bella's dry cleaning. And we're going to do next. And we're going to click this. And we're going to click BKB, Bella's knowledge base. And then all we got to do is get this prompt dialed. So then what we do is we come over to this prompt. We take this entire prompt. Again, this is all in the community. We'll click new chat. We'll paste this prompt and we're going to do the same thing, but we're just going to fill in the names just like this. We're going to do Bella, company name, Bella's dry cleaning, business type, dry cleaning, services, dry cleaning. Again, you just fill in the prompts like that, personality. And the whole idea is we're going to go through this really quick to have our AI employee bust it out very fast. So it's going to come through and it's going to start building out this. Now, the whole idea is from here, all we have to do is finish this one thing and then the agents change. And I'll even demo so you can see. But once you learn how to change the niches, and if you have ChatGPT, Gemini, Grok, Claude running fast, you can literally have duplicated agents in like 3 to 4 minutes, which is pretty crazy. All things considered. Okay, so we're going to come right here, copy, come right back here, save right here, next, save. Bella right here. Bella has now been done and has been duplicated. Let's test her.
Hello, you've reached Belle's Dry Cleaning. This is Belle. How can I help you today?
How you doing, Bella? Do you do dry cleaning?
Hi there. I'm doing great. Thanks for asking. And yes, we absolutely do dry cleaning. Is there something specific you'd like cleaned, or do you have any questions about our services?
No, I just kind of want my suits looking fresh.
Got it. Keeping those suits looking sharp is definitely important. Would you like to book an appointment to drop them off? I can check our availability for you.
Yeah, we can do that. So I can obviously go on and on and on and go through this entire thing, but you get the point. We basically can take those agents, duplicate them, and go right through. It's that easy. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching. I seriously appreciate it. If you guys are interested in learning more about AI employees, I'm going to have an AI playlist on YouTube pop up at the end of this video. I recommend you start going through that because it's going to show you in depth how to use all the GoHighLevel tools. And again, this will be an entire playlist of GoHighLevel's AI, Vibe Coder, AI agents, AI chatbots, the whole 9 yards. So thanks again for watching. If you have questions, drop them down below. And most importantly, watch the video and the playlist that pops up as soon as this video is done. Watch it.